For some god-awful reason, in some of these videos, I try to use width and height before I make a call to size. Processing will actually like not throw an error there. It just won't be correct. So if I say something like my center x, so I say like int center x, and I'm making it a global variable. We learned about this last time, so it can be used in both setup and draw. And I say, oh, I'm going to make it width over 2, right? I want it to be in the center. And I say int center y, and I'm going to make it height over 2. Nice and logical, right? Except I'm doing it before I call size, sorry, setup. As you can see, this might explain some of the errors I'm making today. Okay, so I'm going to say size, and I'll say 500, 600, right? Or something like that. But since void setup, right? Since it's since I'm doing this before I make size, right? At this point, 500 goes into width and 600 goes into height, but this code is already run, so it won't be correct, okay? So what ends up happening is it puts it at some location, and we can see which location it puts it at. Actually, let's just put it in draw, because I want everyone to get in the habit of having both of these functions. And we go center x and center y, and let's make it 50 by 50, right? That looks good. Okay, and now let's bring this in here. And wait, why is it in the top left, right? Well, it's because I did this dumb mistake. So really what you want to do is you can declare the variables up here, but if you want to use width and height, make sure you use width and height after the call to size, okay? And if you see me doing this in the video, extra credit if you spot which video I make this mistake in, okay? So center x equals width over 2, and center y equals height over 2. So identify the video if I make the mistake. I don't remember if I do, but I'm pretty sure I do, because then I saw this dubious code in one of my things, and I was like, oh no. All right, now it's in the center, right? So if we're going to use width and height, ooh, strobing. If we're going to use width and height, all right, make sure it's after the call to size. And remember, draw is always running after the call to size, right? Because setup runs first after we hit play once, and so this call to size will have happened, which means width and height will have already been populated. Furthermore, you realize now that width and height are global too. You can use them in setup and you can use them in draw. So it's almost like this int center and int y also has a int height and int width under it, and then they're getting set when we make this size call. All right, sorry about that. Extra credit if you noticed the video. Thank you.